what's up, guys? It's Liam here from liammorgan.pro. Today I'm going to review a quick product for you called Profit Enigma. Profit Enigma was created by Radu Hanahainu, Mike McKay, and Luan Casgranada. So, what is Profit Enigma? You can create unlimited unique products and services at a low price for a one-time price only. So before we get into it, guys, I just want to let you guys know that I've got some amazing bonuses for you. So I'll appreciate if you can like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you the bonuses in a few minutes on another page, and I'm going to also show you a little bit on the inside of Profit Enigma and what it can do for you. So let's just go through the sales page quickly. It's a brand new cloud app creates done for you products and services from scratch with 24/7 free traffic and $100,000 commissions built in. Your very own business with zero work on your part. So if you scroll to the sales page, you'll see um, they've got a nice sales video over there, giving you exactly what Profit Enigma is about here, what you can do with it, how you can make money with it. If you see step one is simply insert your keywords, so I'll show you on the dashboard as well. Basically, the steps that you can use, the different products that it has. It has 12 different modules in it, guys, which you can use to make tons of money with as well. Just scrolling quick through, so here's some proof of the traffic they're getting. So how is traffic involved in the software? You'll notice that on the back end that there's ways to get drive traffic with unique articles, with backlinks. We'll go through it in a few minutes. So there's some good traffic there. They also got some sales, guys, yo, that caught my eye. $235,000, 651 in just 1 month. So we can just go everything to see some reviews of guys that have tested it out already, make showing that it's working. So if you can see here, it's got article writing, ebook writing services, backlinks and SEO ranking services, video and product creation, voiceover, graphic design, site creation, etc. So once you get into the product on the back end, you can create these for your clients. So if you look on sites like Fiverr and SEO Clicks, where guys actually offer this, look at the site on Conquer, 5 permanent PBN backlinks, $912. I mean, guys, you sell that same service for $500 and you'll be making tons of money getting orders in there. Optimization for your site on Fiverr, that one is $440. And if you keep just looking at it, guys, there's tons of ways to make money. Let's get into the back end. I want to show you guys the back end. So if you look on the back end in the dashboard, these are the different products you can use. Voiceover Creator. Here you can choose the language of the voice that you want to use. There's tons of voices. I don't know if you can hear us. Let's just test out one. Let's just take out an English UK guy and see how powerful is the software. It doesn't sound fake. It doesn't sound robotic. Let's just see if you, I'm not too sure if you guys will hear this. So it's quite amazing, guys. You know, if you listen to, I think I tested the US ones, it sounded much more realistic. Um, I think it was one of these. It's quite a, so you can hear that if you have to convert and create voiceovers for um, people in, let's say you want to sell your services on Fiverr, uh, voice over. Let's just see what these guys are charging for voiceovers. Okay, this is, sorry, my currency is in rands, but that's around about 20, $30, but it all depends on the amount of words. I know they charge on the amount of words. So dive into Fiverr, check what they charge for voiceovers. You guys can come back and create these voiceovers for them at an absolute cheaper price than what those guys are actually, because they physically have to, um, read it out. It takes their time. You've got an ebook creator in here, so you basically can put in your title, the font, the cover, a title of chapter one, your text, then you can add a new chapter over here. When you're done, you can generate the ebook for your client. SEO report creator, guys, some people pay up to $50 just for an SEO report. So you type in a address in there of a website, click review, it'll give you a full SEO report of the user's website so they can see what they need to do. Backlink creator, guys, I'm not going to go through all 12 of these modules, but I think you can actually see exactly what this can do for you. So even within here, backlinks, you know how powerful backlinks is for your website. Once you create your sites, you pump in your domain name, hit submit, you're gonna get a ton of backlinks to drive much more traffic for you. There's a buyer scout as well, so you can look for buyers over here that are interested in your work and reference to them what you can do for them. It's just so many things you can do. A graphics design tool, the keyword research tool. It's just something that you must have in order if you want to start making money. So I think that's most about it of what you can do. WordPress tools as well, what you can do with inside Profit Enigma. You can get auto traffic, you can boost your site's SEO, you can get auto content, fresh articles for. I think it's also got an article creator that creates 100% unique articles. Yeah, so here's a spin. So if you use the spin for your article, it'll spin it into a 100% unique article. So Google will see it as a new article and rank your website much higher. Um, so it's pretty quite awesome piece of software this if you want to get it. If you want to start making some money. Let's just go over to my bonuses. So this is what you're gonna get, um, which is a little bit what I've put in about what it is. The reason simple because the content sells. You've seen the proof. These Infoproducts video courses, content writing, high tickets get you tons of buyer traffic, easy number one rankings, and local businesses, online marketers are hooked on them. Um, this is where the money's at. Profit Enigma uses powerful tech to fully automate 100% unique products, and then neatly packages them into ebooks, PDFs, video courses, and you can sell and get actual results, clients, and make you tons of money. So we went through it, just everything in there. There is a few upsells, which is your front end, which is $17. I think if you get in now, you're gonna get it much cheaper during the launch. Then you get the pro version, which gives you a little bit extra features for $36.93. Then there's a full done for you where the guys will do everything for you. That's for another $36.93. Then you can get full reseller rights if you want to get the whole package for yourself and resell it. And then the MX package as well. So the bonus number one is traffic inclination, which will help you drive more traffic to all of this that you're going to be creating, which I've created a bonus just for you for that. Um, SEO skills mastery, how to improve on your SEO, which is going to drive even more traffic to your site. So I've created bonuses that are going to link with the product, not just any given bonus because it's there, but something that's going to help you improve the product and make more money. How to drive traffic from Google, targeting Instagram. This is quite a great one. I've got a lot of buyers previously from Instagram, especially with graphic design and logo creations, drive them through to Fiverr, make sales that way. And then I put a special bonus for you, which contains the Webby app, a logo studio, and link supremacy. All that's going to help you with the product, as well as um, a special bonus, which I've also added for you guys, which is unannounced over here. So you're going to get all of these bonuses, plus I'm going to give you these unannounced bonuses as well, which is a Pinterest marketing guide, Instagram marketing guide, WP sales robot, WP profit page creator, case study to 700K free monthly visitors, authority traffic masters, 300 ready-made logo designs for great and offline clients, sales funnel authority, and my favorite, which is Ads Pro. So this is what you're going to get extra apart from all these other bonuses which I've set out for you guys already. So I'll appreciate it if you guys can like and subscribe. Also, once you get the product from my links, you will receive the bonuses that I've offered you over here, including the unannounced bonuses. Once you've purchased your copy through my link, you get into your Warrior Plus dashboard, you'll notice a button that says Accept Affiliate Bonuses here. Um, Click on that, it'll take you to the link where you can download all these bonuses which I've given you in um, within here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are gonna buy from my link. Hope you guys will make use of the product, get my bonuses, and see you guys in the next review.